Hey guys, Jamas15 here again, second Overwatch video, and yeah, I have to do it straight away because I'm not sure, like straight away after I done the first one, because I'm not sure if I can auto save it. Like, where's the police going? Oh yeah, thanks mate. Right, how would I get there faster? I know I'll buy a car. Where do I have to go? Here we go. We can fast travel here and then it's easier. It's not 1,000 something meters long. So guys, if you are under 10 or 12, you're not allowed to watch it a lot. Sorry about that. Right, where's our objective? We can go around the back. Might as well see what. No, I'll do that later. We're almost here.
Whoa, sorry.
It's okay. Oh, there's a noodle bus. It's supposed to be like a Google, but different. He just burped. Do I have to go? No. Right, I think I'm almost here. How do I get in? Do I have to go in a shop? Oh. Wait, what? How am I supposed to get there? I'm literally beside it or something. Like it's next to me. Oh, will I try? Wait, I'll just bring it. Tourist information. Oh, the middle finger man. Right, so guys, I think it's up. Nice. There's Josh. Or Joshua.
Yo! Finally. So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
Alright, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind you, cause and separate you control.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app, so you can get followers to download the app and use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening. It's really happening, man. This is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians got the gate ready.
I hope we have a game on our app
We focus on some high-profile ops, waiting for exposure and
or YouTube.
download our
Like-
app.
Don't worry.
They could make it.
Marcus! Check you out!
Alive and dry.
Where's the...
I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out.
How do I sleep on the...
Behold, our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share.
Okay, so what's the research app do?
Widen our skill set, make us irresistible to the gen.
What, so it's like a...
It's Kung Fu.
research? Oh, what's this? Hardware. No, I'll go with a vehicle.
Behold, the wonders of technology.
a 3D printer?
This is the army of printers. It is
Print.
capable of pumping out an arsenal of little weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something.
What?
But don't close up.
Let's make a grenade. Heh, I know. No, I don't like that. So you have to buy it to like print it. Oh, nice. How does it fit in your back pocket? Oh. RC. I just printed a drone for no reason. I didn't know what I was supposed to do though. Nice. Pew, pew, pew. It looks good. Who's Horato? Oh, it's my man Joe. Right, how do I sleep on the couch?
Good to have another brother here.
It's good to be here, man. Are you all happy?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the hacker space.
But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there.
Always building shit that shouldn't work. I was trying to build this big ass drone.
And Wrench?
Good engineer too, but better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara, Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer. Without her, DedSec's walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Tactical coordinator or cat herder. Take your pick. I make DedSec go where it has the most impact. You heard of Primate? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in. There's always someone running out against Primate. Bet they'd love your help.
It's something, right?
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And, speaking of which, we're downloading the DedSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Blue.
What park?
Coming up after the break, we'll be sitting down with a former street artist. Sweet Tea, as he's known in the community, is here to promote a new book of his art and a brand new fashion line,
Cool.
including t-shirts, caps, and bling. Very exciting stuff.
Woohoo! Can I not sleep on the couch? That's how you can see this. Here we go, guys. I need a rest as well. So guys, that's the end of this episode. See ya.